up, everybody? It's your boy D Slee, and I'm back at you guys again today with another motherfucking reaction video. And before this shit starts, I want to say I know I've been slacking, and I know I haven't posted in a while. But like I told you guys over the weekend, I'm gonna try to produce content. The last couple of days, I've been downtown, running back and forth, doing this and that. I was at the Donald Trump inauguration. I was at the Women's March on Washington. It's just been really busy, and then college, and sorry, man, sorry. Anyways, we're gonna be reacting to Fredo Santana and Keef, My Pistol Make You Famous. Official audio, y'all can find it at the top of the description below. You already know where to find that shit. But without further ado, let's hop into this motherfucker song. Fredo and Keef, wanna all we just needed the young chop beat in the back. That's some OG shit. Talking baby.
You got mail.
Hey, you got mail.
Chill.
Do a little arm movement like this. Yeah. Hey.
You can find me in the truck, on the mouse, so much lean, I might collapse. You can find me in a bank, so much rain, so much stank, I'm finna faint. You can find me in the trap, gang bang, smoking stank, pistol hanging, I'm on the block, gang bang, chain dangling, my pistol make you famous. Chopper make you famous. Won't beef, I got the Angus. This Alfama is ancient. Where's the recipe? I'm planking. I got this foreign stankin'. Man, I deserve a spanking. I'm in the eating ramen. Noodles with a banger. I'm always on the kitchen. Boy, without a measure. I am the young Fletcher. All this gold don't look like treasure. All these fucking pints. I am a professor. But don't make my shooters put you on a stretcher. Smoking on the stove, counting on these bands. Big ass full nickel, it is in my pants. Fucking on my stance, I'm fucking up these bands. When you get a glance, you see I don't do the plan. You can find me in the truck, on the mouse, so much lean, I might collapse. You can find me in a bank, so much rain, so much stank, I'm finna faint. You can find me in the trap, gang bang, smoking stank, pistol hanging, I'm on the block, gang bang, chain dangling, my pistol make you famous. Face it, man, y'all basic, man. I'm the king of trap, embrace it, man. Have them killers pull up and straight changes, man. They'll kill you first, then they'll whack it, man. This nigga stinking sweet till I pull up, slam that. Remember posted on the block, off the exit rim. Now I said walk, and I think I lost the kid. A nigga want a box, what? He don't see my sim? Heat his ass up, smoke his ass like a chimney. Coolin' with some dots, and they gone off the hit. But I smack one of these hoes if they ever try to offend me. I'm shooting shit like the old Michael Phelps. Bought a FM, but I could've bought a Fendi. You can find me in the truck, on the mouse, so much lean, I might collapse. You can find me in a bank, so much rain, so much stank, I'm finna faint. You can find me in the trap, gang bang, smoking stank, pistol hanging, I'm on the block, gang bang, chain dangling, my pistol make you famous.
Find the gang bang in the trap.
Turbo.
Official audio clip can be found at the top of the description below. Keef, Fredo Santana, some OG shit. Let me know what you guys thought about that down in the comment section below. What else should I react to from Fredo Santana and Keef? If I should react to some OG shit. Probably already heard it, maybe not. But yeah, let me know what else I should react to. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you like, subscribe. Follow me on my social media platforms down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.